Archives of Prasar Bharati presents the timeless treasure of Golden Era.
মারিলা হায় ও হায় মোর মলুয়া হারি যতর যতর করে তাই হায় ও হরি যতর আনি দিলু ময় হায় ও হরি ও যতর ধরি ধরি কাঁদে মোর মলুয়ারি মোরে মলুয়া কোনে মারিলা হায় ও হায় মোর মলুয়া হারি
নাচে পপি ডালে ডালে হরে বৈশাখ মাসে নাচে পপি ডালে ডালে ফল ফুলে পাতে ভরা ডালে মন মধুমাসে পিয়ার হলই পরবাসে মন মধুমাসে পিয়ার হলই পরবাসে
মন মধুমাসে পিয়ার হলই পরবাসে মন মধুমাসে পিয়ার হলই পরবাসে
ফুলেরই সুভাসে নাচে মন উল্লাসে হরে ফুলেরই সুভাসে নাচে মন উল্লাসে কোকিলা উড়ে যাকে যাকে মন মধুমাসে পিয়ার হলই পরবাসে মন মধুমাসে পিয়ার হলই পরবাসে
মন মধুমাসে পিয়ার হলই পরবাসে
মন মধুমাসে পিয়ার হলয় পরবাসে মন মধুমাসে পিয়ার হলয় পরবাসে
মন মধুমাসে পিয়ার হলয় পরবাসে মন মধুমাসে পিয়ার হলয় পরবাসে
ফুলির মিঠা গান হরি রামন প্রাণ হরে ফুলির মিঠা গান হরি রামন প্রাণ বসুমতী ভরা যবনে মন মধুমাসে পিয়ার হলয় পরবাসে মন মধুমাসে পিয়ার হলয় পরবাসে
মন মধুমাসে পিয়ার হলয় পরবাসে মন মধুমাসে পিয়ার হলয় পরবাসে
বৈশাখ মাসে নাচে পাখি ডালে ডালে ফল ফুলে পাতে ভরা ডালে মন মধুমাসে পিয়ার হলয় পরবাসে মন মধুমাসে পিয়ার হলয় পরবাসে
মন মধুমাসে পিয়ার হলয় পরবাসে মন মধুমাসে পিয়ার হলয় পরবাসে
Jitwa?
Yes, Delta?
Jitwa? Jitwa, come here. Come. There. Who is she?
She?
Huh?
Who?
Huh? She was here. Where has she disappeared? Huh?
It's so wonderful to have you here, Rudra.
Fruits are the only way to beat the heat.
Oh, it keeps the mind cool.
And of course, tall glasses of lemon sherbet.
Oh, but I like orange.
But oranges we get here are so bitter.
But the ones from Shillong are so sweet.
Still, do you remember what Mr. Derek said? That Assamese lemons are the best in the world.
And Caroline sent crates of oranges to London.
What do you think, Rudra?
Mahadev's both our lemons and oranges are fabulous. But I think Indian mangoes are the best. They're so rare in Assam.
You are perfectly right.
Absolutely true.
But you know, Mahadev, what my favorite fruit is?
What?
Pomegranate.
Oh, anar!
Its taste is divine. A mixture of sweetness and tanginess. And look at the beauty of the fruit. Hard and flaming red on the outside. Who can ever imagine that inside it contains hundreds of little pearls? Pink and delicate.
Wonderful. Lovely.
Like a young girl's teeth, which is revealed as she opens her lips to smile. And as you open the fruit, the pearls almost fall off in a shower of laughter.
You describe it so sensuously.
So poetic.
Oh, thank you, my dears.
Indu, do you remember the lines he recited at Gauri's wedding?
He was only 12 then.
Talent is always inborn.
And now he's such a fine young man.
And so handsome. In our family, the men have always been handsome.
After all, they're the exalted Barwas.
That's why it's so difficult to find a good match for them.
I wonder who the lucky girl will be to marry our Rudra.
Rudra,
when is your big day?
Whenever you all want me to.
Don't be evasive, Rudra.
All men must marry.
And settle down.
And you're nearing 30.
We must talk to Durgada.
Yes.
How is Durgada's health?
And how are the estates? Tell
us all about Tezpur.
The situation there is quite tense, my dear. Tezpur is at the heart of Indian nationalism. It's completely chaotic. The whole town is up in flames. Did I tell you that a major tea consignment of ours got gutted?
What?
Got it?
Yes.
What a disaster.
Oh, what a terrible loss.
Durgada must be shattered.
Kusum must be shocked.
This is frightening.
This is so dreadful.
What will we do?
If it happens here, oh, hurry! It's so scary.
All this makes me faint.
Makes me feel tired.
I'm parched. Minoti!
Minoti!
Yes, Baido?
Get me some lemon sharbat.
And me some orange juice.
Yes.
Rudra, what will you have?
Can you get me a glass of anar juice?
Yes.
Minoti?
Namaskar, Nalini Baido.
Is Kusum Baido in?
Baido is gardening in the backyard. Please come. Baido?
Hello, Nalini. Namaskar, Baido. Your school is having a holiday or what? No. I'm on my way to school. I just wanted to meet you. About what? Women of the World and Imprisoned Lives. Both are new publications. You must read them.
I don't get any time from household work, Nalini.
Housework is, of course, the priority with most women. But don't you think? One's duty should also extend to the world outside. Baido, Congress Mahila Samiti needs educated women like you. Why don't you enroll yourself?
Will you have some tea, Nalini?
No, thank you, Baido. I'm in a rush to go to school. Shall I fill up your membership receipt?
Where do I get the time?
Whatever little time you can easily spare, Baido. I'm not requesting you to accompany me all the activities I'm involved in. I'm only requesting you to give that much time that you can easily spare. Your presence at Mahila Congress Samiti meeting will inspire our women members. We have a meeting on Friday. I will come to fetch you.
No, that's not necessary. I'll come myself.
Please do find time to read these books. They are illuminating. Shall I take your leave now?
Yes, I'll come with you. Come.
Thank you, my dear.
Where is the meeting?
In the school.
And what time?
2 p.m. Please do come, my dear.
Yes.
Namaskar, Dada.
What was she doing here?
She's Nalini, Dada, a teacher from the local school.
Oh, I see. I saw her giving a fiery speech at the Congress meeting in town.
She had only come here to give me this. Why don't you come and sit down? You must be tired.
Yes, the heat is terrible.
I'll get the lunch ready. Now tell me, what happened at your meeting with Mr. Brown?
Mr. Brown? Yes, he said he will write to his Calcutta office.
We do have excess stocks, don't we?
Yes, I told him that within a couple of days I will send it across. But I am worried. All the steamer ghats are full of danger.
God forbid if the teas get blown up again.
Even the English tea agency houses are worried that this is happening too often. Their headquarters in London have sent them orders that they will cut off all the financial loans if we do not look into the matter immediately.
But what do the police say? Do they have any information?
Police? Absolutely inept and ambivalent. They are torn by their dual loyalties. Loyal to the English, loyal to their local kith and kin.
Yes, like most of us are.
What I am amazed is that people still don't understand whether it is a war of independence or a war of treason. We are breaking our own economic structure. Militancy is only creating chaos.
But are you sure it is the revolutionaries?
Who else? Tell me, who else? Have I had any enmity with anybody? It is these subverts who are destroying everything in the name of independence. Tell me, Kusum, can a country be built on ashes?
Of course not. But...
But what? I will mobilize a movement in cooperation with my British neighbors to come down heavily on these so-called revolutionaries. Falling tea prices, slump in the market. Kusum, I can't afford to have further losses created in the name of independence.
Dada, I think this over-anxiety is tiring you. Why don't you go and have a wash? I'll get the lunch ready. Come.
Vinoti, where are my green bangles?
Where have you kept the kajal? Have you laid out my red nekla? Why are you so clumsy? Always forgetful.
Who is it?
Rudranath.
Oh, Rudra!
Can I come in?
Of course, of course.
Maybe I should come back later, huh?
Oh, it's all right. Come and sit down.
Or maybe I shouldn't have disturbed you. I see you're still dressing. Obviously, for the dinner you're hosting for me tonight. At home. I believe it's only the three of us.
After all, we have to look good in front of our handsome nephew.
And we're almost through.
Just a few touches.
A pat here and there. So
excuse us.
Go ahead, please.
Tie it neatly.
Minoti, give me that rouge.
Yes, Vinoti, do it tight.
Minoti, keep it back. So tell us, Rudra.
I wanted to ask you, Mahis. Will you all join me for hunting tomorrow?
Hunting?
Yes.
Harry, us too?
But why?
Because I don't want to leave you lovely ladies alone for too long. Won't you join me?
You love hunting, don't you?
All Barwa men love hunting.
Indu, his family house in Tezpur is decorated with their trophies.
That's right, Baidu. Remember Uncle Badrinath who hunted down the tiger 5 years ago?
It was the most ferocious tiger roaming around the area.
And how he was felicitated.
And the festivities went on and on.
For almost a week.
It was a glorious past.
But now there's not much game left around in this area.
The English are active hunters.
But they hunt so indiscriminately.
Without this style.
And panache of our zamindars. So, what would you like to hunt?
Birds. Just some birds.
Oh, how sweet! How charming!
But you mustn't go too far.
You must shoot nearby.
The forests here are wild.
Dense and dangerous.
One must be very brave.
One must be fearless.
Like our uncle Badrinath.
Like our Rai Bahadur Dada.
Oh, how they played with danger.
Oh, I love to play with danger too. Deer hunting is my pastime. Didn't I tell you how I recently captured an elephant in a lasso operation? Didn't I tell you that?
Really?
How
Yes.
exciting!
Tell us in detail.
Tell us everything.
Okay. The entire town was in great uproar. There was this wild elephant, a great male tusker, which was ravaging several villages nearby. So they approached me, knowing fully well my expertise in catching and taming elephants. So one night, with a team of servants, I marched towards the forest. And some told